In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download submissions as Excel in Jotform. By the end, you'll know exactly how to export your form responses into a clean .xlsx file you can open in Excel or any compatible spreadsheet app. First, head to your Jotform account and go to My Forms. This is the central dashboard where all your forms live. Make sure you're in the right workspace or folder if you organize forms by team or project, so you're working with the correct one. Next, click once on the form you want. A single click selects the form without opening the builder. When it's selected, you'll see options appear, including one labeled Submissions. This is what you'll use to access your responses. Click Submissions to open Jotform tables. Think of Jotform tables as a spreadsheet-style view of your data, where each row is a submission and each column matches a field from your form. You can scroll to review, and if you've applied filters or hidden columns in this view, keep in mind that your export will typically reflect what's visible here. If you only need a specific subset later, you can adjust filters before downloading. Now look to the top right corner and click Download All. This button gathers the current set of submissions from the table. If you have a large number of entries, it may take a moment as Jotform prepares the file, so don't worry if you see a brief loading indicator. From the download options that appear, choose Download as Excel. This will generate an .xlsx file, which is the standard format for Microsoft Excel. It preserves column headers and formatting better than plain text, making it easier to analyze, sort, and share. If your browser asks for permission to download, confirm it so the file can be saved. An .xlsx file will be generated and downloaded to your computer. Most browsers save it to your Downloads folder by default, unless you've set a different location. Open it in Excel, Google Sheets, or another compatible app to review and work with your data. If you don't see the file right away, check your browser's download tray or recent downloads list. Quick tip: if the file seems to be missing certain fields or looks different than expected, return to Jotform tables and check whether any columns are hidden or filters are applied. Adjust those settings and download again if needed. That's all you need to export your Jotform submissions to Excel quickly and reliably.